I wanted to try Mio's cake recipe to see if it's as disgusting as they say. Do you think you could try to make it? You may need me and Mio's help. Star Baker. If you want to make my cake, the first step is to get an assistant. That's better! Next, you want to take 2 packages of magic cake mix and put them in a bowl. Don't forget to mix in all the other ingredients. Then stir, stir, stir till it's smooth. Next, pour some of the batter into a smaller bowl. And color that batter red. And don't forget to assist your assistant, because she probably needs it. Then dye the bigger thing of batter burgundy. Then you'll need to get 2 circular pans. Put globs of the red batter in and cover them fully with the burgundy batter. Keep alternating until the pans are full. And obviously, things are going perfectly, so we have Star Baker's approval so far. Time to put them in the oven! While those cool, let's work on the cookies for the top. And don't forget to get some batter for Star Baker too. Put the remaining cookie batter into a mixing bowl. Then put in all the other necessary ingredients. And stir until it forms a nice dough. Roll the dough out and cut at least 3 hearts from it, 1 smaller and 2 larger ones. Looks like Star Baker made one too. After you bake your cookies, it's time to get started on the frosting. Mix together some pink frosting and put it on the first layer of your cake. Make sure to save more for later too, or you'll be sorry. Then make sure to sprinkle some black spherical sprinkles on top before you put the next layer on. Then mix up some burgundy frosting for the bottom, some black frosting for the top, and then use your spatula to create an ombre effect all around the cake. Next, you'll need that pink frosting back to cover the top with. Then take red, blue, green, and yellow writing frosting and use them to scribble designs all over the cake. Then use pink cake drip to get that ever so appetizing melted cake look. Just try not to get as carried away as I did. Since the drip covered so much of the scribble, I had to scribble some more on there later. While I was doing all of that, however, Star Baker mixed up all the other colors I'd need for the rest of the cake. I then lined these colors up on some plastic wrap, which I folded up and put it in an icing bag in order to pipe directly onto the cake to make that rainbow frosting effect. I then used the remainder to decorate the cookies for the top. Then use the rest of your burgundy frosting to create a border around the bottom of the cake. Finally, top it with some homemade star toppers, and then you're done! And now you have a delicious cake that all your friends will absolutely love. But the most important thing of all for you to remember is, all cakes are best served with a nice, tall glass of 100% orange juice.